The IAGREEA 35oz Nut Milk Maker is designed for convenience with its 1-liter capacity, ideal for singles or couples who want to enjoy fresh nut milk effortlessly. This versatile machine offers a 10-in-1 functionality, allowing you to make a variety of drinks including milkshakes, plant-based beverages, and more, all with the touch of a button. Constructed with 304 stainless steel, the Nut Milk Maker ensures durability and efficient thermal conductivity, making it both robust and effective. The stylish design of the IAGREEA Nut Milk Maker not only complements any kitchen decor, but also includes safety features such as overheat protection and an automatic shut-off mechanism. With its self-cleaning feature and included cleaning brush, maintaining the Nut Milk Maker is hassle-free, allowing you to enjoy your drinks without worrying about the cleanup. The Nut Milk Maker comes with a variety of accessories, including a recipe booklet that provides over 20 healthy recipes, ensuring you have plenty of options to explore your culinary creativity.